Hello and welcome to E-Varsity, your gateway to bricklaying. In this video, we will introduce you to the basics of bricklaying. Let's get started. Today we are going to explore the fascinating and rewarding world of bricklaying. We'll dive deep into the essential skills you'll need as a bricklayer's assistant. From understanding the tools of the trade to mastering the techniques of laying bricks, we've got you covered. Whether you're just starting your journey in the trades or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is designed to give you a solid foundation. We'll cover everything from the basics of site preparation to the intricacies of laying different types of bricks. You'll learn how to handle materials, mix mortar, and ensure your work is level and sturdy. Safety is paramount in construction, so we'll also go over the essential safety gear and practices you need to follow to keep yourself and your team safe on the job. This video is designed to be interactive and engaging, so feel free to pause the video at any time to take notes or practice what you've learned. We encourage you to get hands-on experience as you follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of bricklaying and be well prepared to take on the role of a bricklayer's assistant. So grab your hard hat, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. As a bricklayer's assistant, you'll play a crucial role in the construction process. You'll work closely with experienced bricklayers, assisting them in various tasks that are essential for building strong and aesthetically pleasing structures. Your responsibilities will include preparing the work site, mixing mortar, transporting bricks and other materials, and assisting the bricklayer in laying bricks. You'll also learn how to use various tools and equipment such as trowels, levels and mortar mixers. Before a single brick is laid, proper site preparation is crucial. It ensures a safe and efficient work environment and allows for accurate construction. The first step involves clearing the area of any debris, vegetation or obstacles. Once the site is clear, the next step is to establish a level and stable foundation for the brickwork. This often involves excavating the ground to the required depth and compacting the soil to create a solid base. Depending on the project, a concrete foundation or a layer of compacted gravel may be necessary. Now let's talk about the heart of bricklaying, laying bricks and mortar. This is where the magic happens, transforming individual bricks into a solid, unified structure. Mortar acts as the glue that holds the bricks together, and proper mixing and application are vital. Without the right mortar, the bricks won't bond properly, leading to weak spots in the wall. The most common type of mortar is a mixture of cement, sand and water, which needs to be mixed to the right consistency, not too runny, not too stiff. Achieving this balance ensures that the mortar can support the weight of the bricks while also filling the gaps between them. When laying bricks, consistency is key. Each brick must be placed with precision to maintain the integrity of the wall. This means paying attention to the spacing and alignment of each brick. You'll learn how to spread mortar evenly, place bricks accurately, and check for level and plumb using a spirit level. These skills are essential for creating a wall that is both strong and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, each brick you lay contributes to the overall strength and stability of the structure. Taking the time to do it right ensures that the finished product will stand the test of time, providing a safe and secure environment. Brick by brick, we will be constructing walls and structures. This process is both an art and a science, requiring precision and skill. Each brick must be carefully placed to ensure the stability and durability of the wall. As you progress, you'll learn how to build different types of walls and structures. From residential homes to commercial buildings, the techniques you master will be applicable to a wide range of projects. From straight walls to curved arches, understanding the principles of bricklaying will allow you to create a variety of forms. Each form has its own set of challenges and requires a different approach, but with practice, you'll be able to tackle any project with confidence. You'll also learn about different bond patterns such as running bond, stacked bond, and English bond. These patterns not only affect the appearance of the wall, but also its strength and stability. Each offers unique aesthetic and structural properties. For example, the running bond is commonly used for its simplicity and strength, while the English bond is known for its alternating pattern that provides extra stability. Constructing walls involves laying bricks in a specific pattern. ensuring that each coarse or horizontal layer is level and plumb. This attention to detail is crucial for the overall integrity of the structure. You'll learn how to use a story pole to maintain consistent brick heights and a line block to keep the courses straight. These tools are essential for achieving a professional finish and ensuring that your walls are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The art of finishing, jointing and pointing. Once the bricks are laid, the next step is jointing, which involves finishing the mortar joints between the bricks. Jointing not only improves the appearance of the brickwork, but also helps to prevent water penetration. There are different joint profiles, such as concave, V, and weathered, each providing a distinct aesthetic. Pointing, on the other hand, is the process of repairing or replacing damaged or deteriorated mortar joints. This involves removing the old mortar and applying fresh mortar to maintain the structural integrity and appearance of the brickwork. Quality over quantity, ensuring a solid structure. Throughout the bricklaying process, quality assurance is paramount. This involves regularly checking for plumb, level and alignment to ensure the structure is built to the required specifications. You'll learn how to use various tools such as spirit levels, plumb bobs and measuring tapes to ensure accuracy. Additionally, you'll understand the importance of following safety regulations and building codes to create a safe and durable structure. Beyond the basics, specialized bricklaying techniques. As you gain experience as a bricklayer's assistant, you'll have the opportunity to learn more specialized techniques. This could include building arches, fireplaces, chimneys, or even intricate decorative brickwork. These specialized skills require a deep understanding of bricklaying principles and a keen eye for detail. Remember, becoming a skilled bricklayer is a continuous learning process. By working closely with experienced professionals, you'll gain valuable knowledge and practical skills that will serve you well throughout your career. Join the Khan E-Varsity community, and there you have it. A glimpse into the world of bricklaying and the vital role a bricklayer's assistant plays. We've covered a lot of ground today, from site preparation to quality assurance. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into practice. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who might be interested in a career in construction, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep those bricks straight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Khan E-Varsity YouTube channel for more informative videos. Don't forget to like and share. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive deeper into advanced bricklaying techniques, interview industry experts, and explore the latest trends in construction. Until then, happy building.